So Rutherford came up with this structure of the atom, very much like the solar system, where in the middle you've got the nucleus, which is made up of protons and neutrons. So that's compared to like our sun. And around the outside, orbiting them, is the electrons. And the space between the electrons and the protons is massive. So it's a bit like our sun in the middle with the planets orbiting around. You can imagine most of it is actually space. And this is the solar system model, if you like, of the atom that you'll be familiar with. So the atom is made up of protons, neutrons and electrons. Remember that protons, P standing for protons, is a positive charge, and electrons are equal and opposite minus charge, and neutrons have a neutral charge. And in terms of mass, the protons and neutrons carry all the mass, and they have equal mass, so we call the relative mass 1. An electron has such a small mass that we can consider that to be 0 compared to protons and neutrons. We can represent atoms in a periodic table like this, where you've got the top is the mass number, so that's adding how many protons and how many neutrons there are. So in this case, 4 means that there are a total of 4 protons plus neutrons, so it's 2 of each. And the bottom number shows the proton number. So for helium, there are 2. We know it's helium because the symbol He is represented there. So there's 2 protons, so there must be 2 neutrons.